Hello, the man cannot get tired of these big Italian pastry thingies. So we have ramo di primavera, pistacchio con crema al pistacchio e decorazione. Mamma mia! So this is this is a branch, olive branch tree, because clearly Easter is upon us in a few months. Pistachio though, I've wanted to do this for a while. It looks nice. It looks nice, and you can see that it's supposed to have. You know, it's not gonna have the three things filled with stuff. It's gonna be weird, but it's gonna be delicious. It has to be. Let me try to put that here. Maybe it's kind of pretty like this. There you go. So coffee, very hot, very filled. Ooh. And let's cut this up. Cuts pretty nicely, actually. You can kind of, yeah, there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, you can see two of the things, two of the three. They actually look a little better. So there's two. They forgot one. But yes, nice. You have the chocolate thingies on top. Nice and, oh yeah, that's moist. Oh, like there's a tiny bit here, so it's like 2.2. 2.2. That's like a little thing, so it should have been another one. Anywho, let's go. Mmm. Always a hit. They know how to do it. See, this one's like 3,500 calories, I think. A little bit under. Worth it. Again, I'm not even done yet. Worth it. From time to time, you have to. Look. Oh, moist, shiny, delicious. Mmm. And as long as you keep in shape, you're around. I've been having like one a month for the last like 3-4 months. I'm cool. I'm running around. I'm doing stuff because I know that I'm gonna have to eat more. Cut so easy, way better than the last one, the lamb one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one too. Oof, that's some creamy deliciousness. When you take a bite right in the middle, it's a little sweet. You know, you gotta strategize your bites. All right. delicious. You seriously have to try these. Like the main one's panettone. It's the same kind of model, or like pandoro panettone style. A bunch of flavors inside. You know, salted caramel, pistachio, chocolate, tiramisu, orange, lemon, of course. The custard cream with it. There's I've seen peaches. I've seen mascarpone with fruit stuff. Some of them are a little pricey. Thankfully, since it's kind of an Easter thing, it's then not special. Another slice. Again, pretty aesthetic. The best looking one we've seen so far. The most faithful to the, you know, to the image of what it's supposed to be. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I agree very much. Let's cut it this way. That's like an earthquake. Sorry for the movement. Oh, there's just a bit. It starts just a bit. It kind of starts over there. It's fine. That's fine. And there's more. Let's go on this side. Ooh, not a lot on this side. Sorry. They should have done a little better job here. Still nice, still a moist cake. Just a barely, to me, like this thick. Just on this side, we don't see it on. A little point deducted. Never mind. I spoke too soon. I'd like to apologize to the Italian pastry community. I didn't realize that you had hidden compartments. Genius move. It's all right there. Oh yeah. Beautiful. they had a few flavors, and like half of them have disappeared because it's on special. So people are like, oh, don't blame them. So you know, we had chocolate. We had a few chocolate left and stuff, and crusted, but I've already done those. I need to try the new, you know, the ones I haven't. I need to expand. Like, you have to understand, almost all the sweets I eat are on camera. Almost all of them. I very rarely eat them outside. I love them, but I could, again, there's so much like real food, main course food that, you know. So this is nice to try, but this, like, I enjoy it so much, I think about it from time to time. So really is it like a cheat meal treat, because it is 3,500 calories. Never mind that I ate a little bit before, so it's gonna be a big day. But damn, it's good. It's really good. And there's so much filling in this one. This one, like, they really did. What's a Battistero brand? Well done. Because you gotta realize, this is big, right? It is big, but for the amount of weight of food that I have, I would need almost double this amount if it were like a pasta dish. Imagine. The only thing that comes close is the lasagna I made, which was massive, and I prepared myself all day. And there was like, this is 750 grams. So it's not even 2 pounds of food. It's not even a kilo. It's barely, you know, it's a bit below. So I could do like 2 kilos of pasta, and I wouldn't even come close to 3,000 calories. So this is 3,500. So it is a cheat meal. It is a guilty pleasure. And it's worth it. More. You see the other side? It's still there. You can kind of see it. It's gonna go through. Again, hidden compartments. Right. Oh, there's like 60 calories in there, so. Big slice. Is it too big? Now let's try it. So chocolate, you see again the filling. The filling is there. Filling there and filling my soul with joy. How do I eat them? Let's try this side. The filling technicians over at the Battistero, yes it is, top notch filling technicians. They know where to, they know how to get the flavor in there. Ah. So much filling. Again, super awesome, delicious. So I'm good for the next month, I think, maybe. Maybe I'll get one sooner. Battistero, the brand itself, very impressed so far. First product of theirs, filling wise, as you saw. Cheat meal, cheat snack, cheat day, cheat year. Very cheap. Mwah. That's all I have to say. Mwah again. See you next time.